Hey everyone, Ben here from Audiologic. Welcome back to Tech Tuesdays. This week we're going to be taking a look at the 3 new cores available from QSC. So in case you haven't seen it, we've already done a video on Q-SYS Designer version 9. That's the minimum version of Designer you're going to need to be able to use the new cores. So as you can see, we've got 3 new product variants here with us. We've got the Core Nano, the Core 8 Flex and the Core NV32, or NV32 Core Capable. They all share a chassis, but they're slightly different in terms of capabilities and functionality. So let's start with the Core Nano. The Core Nano is a brand new option from QSC, and it's the first QSC core to have no analog I/O. This makes it a super cost-effective way of bringing Q-SYS into your ecosystem. Although we've got no analog I/O, we do have USB bridging via either USB-C or USB-B connectors. Note that these aren't simultaneously, but they can be switched between the two. We've got GPIO, RS-232, and then also twin LAN ports, which can either be used for redundancy or to split the network. Next up, we've got the Core 8 Flex. The Core 8 Flex is near on identical to the Core Nano, except on the 8 Flex, we've got 8 Flex channels. For those of you that aren't already aware of what Flex channels can do, these are channels that can be split into either inputs or outputs on a channel per channel basis. This makes it really easy to configure the system to how you need. So this can be anything up to an 8 in, 8 out, or any combination between the two. So in terms of processing power, you can pretty much think of these as half-size Core 110Fs. Both of these processors have 64 by 64 networked audio channels and 8 AEC processors. Both of these cores also include the new software Dante, and they ship with an 8x8 license for free. Finally, we've got the NV32H Core Capable. Some of you may already be aware of the NV32 as an encoder or decoder video product, but now, as of the new hardware shipping, it can now also be its own fully fledged core. In terms of processing power, this is about half size again of the new 8 Flex and the Core Nano, so this can do 32 by 32 networked audio channels, but still 8 channels of AEC. Now with the Core Capable hardware, you can also select it to be a core mode rather than a peripheral. In core mode, it's a fully fledged QSC core with all the features you're used to, but you don't have the encoder-decoder functionality anymore. Instead of encoding and decoding, what you do have is a local switcher, so it becomes a 3x2 video switcher with a built-in core. This makes it a hugely powerful device, and there isn't quite anything else like it on the market available at the moment, so we're massively excited about this. So on the back of the unit, you're going to see we've also got an abundance of other I/O. We've got 3 HDMI inputs and 2 HDMI outputs. You've also got a USB-B on there for audio and camera bridging, but we've also got 2x2 analog channels in and out, which is done on a 3.5mm jack. As well as this, we've got GPIO, RS-232 and twin LAN ports, again for redundancy or for splitting the network. In terms of powering the unit, you've got 2 options. You can either use a local power supply or power it via the network. If you are powering it via the network, you are going to need a significant amount of power, either from a PoE injector or from your network switch, because this unit complies to PoE++ standards. So it's worth noting, this is the only new core that doesn't ship with a software Dante license for free included. There is a reason behind this. It's because if you're using it in peripheral mode as either an encoder or decoder, then you're not going to have a use for that license. So as previously mentioned, these cores share all the same features as the rest of the QSC core family. If you're not already up to speed on all the features of the cores, feel free to watch some of our further Tech Tuesday videos or sign up for QSC Architect training online. If you have any questions relating to these products, feel free to get in touch with myself or the team at support@audiologic.co.uk. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you could please give the videos a like and subscribe, it'd be really appreciated. Thanks a lot and see you next time.